I guess you can create your own marketing place logo. Then you can go Chrome browser. Then you can search B R A and D C R O W D. It is AI. It is AI generated. Then you can create any logo for your YouTube account, Facebook account, and anything else. You can search for there. Then I can search for this MYMYO. This is my favorite word. Then create. You can get ready. This there are for the style. Then you can make from menu for your hotel and restaurant, everything. Then you can go to classic. It is normal. Then you can choose for this my mayo store here. Then it is this he can generate for your logo. Then you can customize this text. This text you can change anything. Then the other one storage here there. Um, you can change for color. This M you can change for color red and blue, everything. It is your choice. Then you can make. Then you can get to download. It is got to some work. Then it is finished. Then he's give to your email. He send for this picture on your email. But it is get a logo. You can make for this. Then you can zoom out. Then you can take a screenshot. It is I think good way. Screenshot size and then size about 7